This review of the Keychron Q4 wired custom mechanical keyboard. This is a 60% layout QMK via programmable macro with hot-swappable Gateron G Pro switch, double gasket, compatible with Mac, Windows, or Linux. So this is gonna be the unboxing of it. As you can see, the packaging itself is like super extremely premium. I really appreciate that. And has obviously the manual, has how to change the keyboards, and you have the keyboard itself. I love the sound that it makes. It's hypnotizing. It has a little cable in it, a quick start, and extra buttons if you want to replace them with. So gotta go ahead and open this right here. And the first thing that comes to mind and that I notice a lot is the weight on it and the sound of this. Oh, I really gotta have a lot of fun with this one. It reminds me back in the days when I used to have the actual the actual keyboards. Comes already pre-assembled and very easy to plug in. Have the USB-A, USB-C port in case your computer does not has it. And this goes right here. And the other end goes on your terminal, which in my case is right here. And connects right away. And you can start typing right now. It's very super plug and play. There's not much science that you need on this one. So if you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it from there, but there's a light that is underneath the keyboard, and the sturdiness of it is what like throws me off. If you're in the market for something like this, the Keychron Q4 is something that you need to have to work on your projects.